Hello, good morning students. In this video, we are going to discuss about force and motion. The force and motion is most of time pull or push of the object. The force and motion is most of time push or pull the object. Example, look at this picture. Unlocking the door, pushing the lock. Lifting the bag, pulling the bag. Kicking the ball, pushing the ball. Here, three things push and pull make the motion to move some object. Motion and rest. The two are the reversible process. When there is a change of position of an object with respect to time, then it is called motion. If it remains stationary, it is called rest. So, motion and rest are the reversible process. Look at this picture and some examples given here. Locking the door, lifting the bag, kicking the ball. Here, what is the state of the door? It is rest only. Before the lifting the bag, it is rest only. Next, we see the picture. One girl pulled the bucket. So, the girl pulled the bucket. First one answer is pull. Next one, shopkeeper pushes the vehicle move forward. Here, push is the answer. Next one, the boy push the wheel forward. So here, push is the answer. Next one, the boy pushes the swing to move forward. Here also push is the answer. Next, we see the man moving on the boat. Respect to the surrounding, but he is on the rest. The second image, the girl on the swing is moving sheet of the swing. The swing at moving. She is at rest with respect to the garden. So, first Phillips, the girl on the swing is moving. First Phillips, moving. Second one, she is at rest with respect to the garden. So, second Phillips, second dash at rest. First one moving, second at rest is the answer. Next, one girl moving on the road using with the bicycle. Okay. Nisha is going to her grandmother's house by bicycle. The girl on the bicycle is dash with respect to the road. She is dash with respect to the bicycle. She is rest. The bicycle moving. So, first answer moving, second one rest. Next, how things move. Motion occurs when the object is pulled or pushed by an agency. Forces are pushed or pulled by an animate or inanimate agency. Here, animate means contact force. Inanimate means non-contact force. Animate force or contact force is VR. The force push or pull. Look at this picture. It is contact force. The boy move the swing, so touch the rope. So here this is contact force. Non-contact force is nature things. Example, gravitation force. For example, the coconut tree down the gravity. The coconut tree down the tree. So it is non-contact force or inanimate force. Next, we see the diagram. Force can first one, move from rest dash change the speed. So rest speed. Next safe. So change the safe. Right side dash and dash compress or expand. First one rest to move. Second one change direction. First one rest to move, change direction. Forces. Can you give example for contact or non-contact forces? Forces, contact forces, non-contact forces. Examples: kick a football. Non-contact forces examples: magnet attracts nails. So first one, contact force is animate force. Here, kick a football, a man stopped the pull cart. For other examples, the man stopped the pull cart. Next example, magnet attracts nails. It is non-contact forces. So other one, coconut falls off ground. Coconut falls on ground. So the answer is first one, change shape, rest to move, change direction. The man stopped the bullock cart. Coconut falls on ground. So next we move motion and its types. First types: linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, zigzag, circular, irregular motion. Next, based on duration, periodic motion, non-periodic motion. Two types of based on duration. Speed based, two types: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Next, classify the motion according to the path taken by motion. First one, linear motion, moving in the straight line, like a person walking on the straight path, free fall. Example. At the curvilinear motion, moving ahead but changing direction, like a throwing ball. Next, circular motion, moving in a circle, swinging stone tied to the rope. Rotatory motion பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the movement of a body about its own axis, like a rotating tap. Oscillatory motion, coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval, like a pendulum. Next, zigzag motion or irregular motion, like the motion of a bee or people walking in a crowded street. Linear motion is example of walking on the straight path, free ball. Next one, curvilinear motion, ahead but changing direction, like a throwing ball, changing direction. Next one, circular motion is example of stone tied to the rope. Rotatory motion example of like a rotating tap. Oscillatory motions example of fixed time interval. Example, like a pendulum. Next, zigzag or irregular motion example is people walking in the crowded street. So first one, linear, curvilinear, circular, rotatory, oscillatory and zigzag motions. The six type of motions for here. Okay, are you understand? 6 type of motions. Next, we see the picture. The honeybee move across the line. Some motion First one is linear motion, straight line forward, first line linear motion. Second one curvilinear motion. Third one round shape, so circular motion. Next one zigzag or irregular motion. The last one moving forward and back, so this one is oscillatory motion.